Alright, here we have the Jato conversion, street drag conversion kit. This is an assembly video for the Pro Mod front end. Please refer to the other videos we have for assembling the Pro Mod front ends, the front wing kit, and your steering setup. It's pretty much the same on all of them, the other kits that we have with the Pro Mod front end. So refer to that. Great video on how to do those. Obviously, here's your steering servo. These aren't the mounts that come with the kit. We put these on ourselves, but it does come with servo arms. When you get the steering kit, it comes with the steering kit. Everything you see there connected. When you get the full kit, you'll get the wing with it, the mounting plate. When you get the Pro Mod front end, if you get the full Pro Mod front end, you'll get the wheels, the bearings. This whole front end will come with it. Once you have that, then your top rails. As you can see right there, they're going to fit. You got your nut down at the bottom, the nylon nut. Then your top brace rail slides over that bolt, and then there's a flat nut right there. Pretty simple to do. Line it up along the side. Put your spacers in between it. Your 1/4 inch short pan heads up top, 1/4 inch short pan head flat head on the bottom. Very, very simple to do. Doesn't need much explanation on that. Your fuel tank. We have another video that shows you how to do your inside component setup on the fuel tank. The fuel tank has 2-position mount. Where you see right here, which is a nice snug fit. And you could also remove these 2 back posts and move them up here. And you can mount it up here. So you can move your weight around with your fuel tank. So you got your 1-inch posts, 1.25-inch posts, I'm sorry. You're going to have your 1/4 inch flat 440 screws on the bottom. Then on top, you're going to have your top brace. And those are going to get the 1/4 inch 440 pan heads. Again, very simple to do. Here you have your 1-inch servo posts. You can have pan head, 1/4 inch pan heads on the top and on the bottom. You have adjustment slots right there. So to move the servo around. As you see here, we use the low profile standard size servo. Same with your throttle linkage. We use the low profile servo. If you use a standard servo and need more height, just need to use taller posts. Very simple. The stuff that you'll need from your Jato kit is your full linkage. Obviously your motor with your engine mount. Your full Jato rear section. Your transmission, your suspension. All from the original Jato kit. And your exhaust, obviously. The body that you're going to use is going to be a Traxxas Bandit body. Your front post you're going to cut short. Like you see here, we have a video on that. And not in place, but there's where the other body post comes in. That's a long 3 3/4 inch tall post. What you see in the back here is totally not stock. This is, if guys want to do a full custom setup on this is basically what you could do. We use the aluminum Energy transmission. All steel rear gears, steel spur gear. It's not on right now, but we use the Buku clutch, the 110 clutch, and steel clutch bells. All steel inside. This one I have set up for a small block. This is a Nova Rossi .12, but the slots are big enough for you to put the big block with the custom mount on there. It's going to come with this rear shock tower plate / hinge pin holder, which also hooks up your Wheelie Bar Mount Kit. Comes with it as well. Wheelie bar is not shown in this video, but we have it in the pictures on our site. You know, you could bolt your full stocks Jato rear right on. If you like to do custom stuff to things, if you're not afraid to do stuff, like I said, this plate will come with it. You can fully customize it to how you want it. You know, you just got to get creative. There's things out there to do it. You just got to figure it out. You got to cut, trim, do whatever you got to do to make things work the way you want it to work. You know, down in there it got some spacers, which comes with it as well. Like I said, we used different drive shafts. We cut them down to fit. We took the front shocks from Slash or Jato, which is pretty much the same thing. We cut the springs down so we could drop it. I mean, the car sits down beautiful, very low profile, very low center of gravity. The foam tires on this one are the Exceed Carbon 35 Shore 12mm hex. We had to do is with the hole in the center there for where the nut is. Basically, you just got to drill your hole in the center there just a little bit bigger, and then it slides right through. You know, like I said, it's not for the faint at heart unless you want to just bulk all your stock Traxxas stuff on the rear. But if you like to do custom stuff, you know, that's what drag racing is. In order to get better, faster, in 132 feet, you got to be able to take it to the next level. So there's a quick assembly video on the Nitro Jato stretched Pro Mod front version that we offer. Again, like I said, it's a quick video because it's very quick and easy assembly. This assembly is already up there in videos. This is pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, that's where the rail goes. Standoffs in there, servo, fuel tank. The rest of that there, you refer to the Traxxas Jato exploded view or the instructions. And if you don't have your Jato rear all assembled and you don't know how, that's how you go and figure it out. You got your brake system right here. Exhaust comes right out the back. There you have a full customized kit. Stretched, and what stretched gives you is much more stability on the road. You got your downforce wing, Pro Mod front end. Hope you enjoyed.